Everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Cash App won't let me verify my identity. So the first thing is you just need to tap on your profile icon on the top right corner and go for your security and privacy, and you just need to continue to identity verification section. So as a part of identity verification process, as you know, you need to provide your legal name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your social security number. In some cases, Cash App may also request your full social security number, residential address, unexpired government ID, or income verification or source of funds. If you are still having trouble verifying your identity, it's best to contact Cash App customer support for further assistance. They can help guide you through the process and troubleshoot any issues that you might be experiencing. So simply you just need to tap on the support and go for the chat icon on the bottom of your screen, and then you just need to also attach the screenshot of the error that you are getting, and then you just need to provide all the necessary information to the customer care. Once you do so, they will figure out any kind of way to verify this identity process. So hope this helps. This is how you can fix Cash App won't let me verify my identity.